Hello everyone, it's Daily Space Observations, and before I start the video, I have a little announcement. So this video is sponsored by Lammcou. Lammcou is a small company that made this small, portable, and very bendable tripod that's at a decent price. It's great for vlogging and tabletop recording, and it's very portable. So if you're looking for a tripod like this one, then you're in luck. Because not only is this a great and affordable tripod, but as of today, you can get a 15% discount on the tripod by typing the displayed promo code on its Amazon page. So if you want a 15% discount on the tripod, then type the displayed promo code on its Amazon page. So now that that's through, if you want this tripod, then be sure to watch the whole video through so that you'll get all the information you'll need. Now, with that being said, enjoy the video. The Lammcou Bendable Tabletop Tripod is the perfect tripod for vlogging and tabletop recording with any kind of camera. When opening the box, it comes with a camera adapter, a smartphone adapter, a GoPro adapter, and of course, the tripod itself. You can use it as a tabletop tripod for desktop recording or as a vlogging tripod by folding its legs back in and holding it with your camera on. And of course, you can bend the tripod legs in many ways to suit your needs. The tripod is compatible with digital cameras, smartphones, GoPros, and even bigger DSLR cameras. To attach your phone to the tripod, simply twist the phone adapter onto the tripod, take your smartphone, and then adjust the phone holder to your phone size. Keep in mind that attaching a digital or DSLR camera is even more simple. Just take your camera and twist it on by its tripod hole, and that's it. To attach a GoPro camera, twist the GoPro adapter onto the tripod, and then take your selected GoPro camera and put it on the adapter. Unfortunately, in this clip, I don't have a GoPro camera, but I'm sure you can figure out the rest. Congratulations, you now know how to use your recently bought Lammcou Bendable Tabletop Tripod. If you like this video, then be sure to press the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, then click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified on my latest videos, then ring the notification bell. And if you want to see sneak peeks of my latest videos, then go on my Instagram. I'll see you next time.